Hey everyone, get ready, because the all-new 2026 Subaru Forester has just been revealed, and it's nothing like you expected. It's still the bold, rugged SUV you love, but now it's smarter, sleeker, and hiding something totally unexpected inside. Subaru just changed the game. But what's the real shocker waiting behind those doors? Let's find out. The 2026 Forester commands attention with its bold hexagonal grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and muscular hoodlines. The body has been resculpted for a more aerodynamic stance, giving it a wider, sportier look. Subtle chrome accents and redesigned alloy wheels push the aesthetic to a premium level. But is it all looks, or is there muscle behind that makeover? Flush roof rails, deeper shoulder lines, and new C-shaped LED taillights make the side and rear design pop. The integrated spoiler and dual exhaust hint at something more exciting underneath. Inside, the 2026 Forester greets you with soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and a panoramic moonroof that opens up the cabin. The massive 12.3-inch touchscreen runs Subaru's new Starlink system, fully compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated front and rear seats, ambient lighting, and a new digital gauge cluster elevate comfort to first-class status. But what's powering this beauty under the hood? Let's find out. The Forester now features a brand new 2.5-liter Boxer hybrid engine, paired with Subaru's e-Boxer system. This setup delivers seamless torque, impressive fuel economy, and smoother acceleration across all terrains. The AWD system remains legendary, but now smarter, adapting power distribution in real time. Whether you're off-roading or stuck in traffic, this hybrid adjusts automatically to give you the best of both power and efficiency. Curious about the price? Let's talk numbers. So how much will this all-new Forester set you back? Subaru's pricing starts around $31,000, depending on trim and options. And here's the insider scoop. It's expected to hit dealerships by late fall 2025. Early reservation slots are already filling up fast. Will it live up to the hype on safety too? Subaru's got something big in store, and it's not just airbags. The 2026 Forester includes Subaru's latest EyeSight 4.0, featuring 360-degree cameras, pedestrian detection, lane centering, and adaptive cruise control. Emergency auto steering and blind spot monitoring are now standard. This isn't just safety, it's smart protection that anticipates problems before they happen. What's your take on the 2026 Forester? Dream SUV or not quite there? Drop your thoughts below. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more first-look reviews coming your way.